Today's work at East Legon's Hills, close to the British School. So this the booster. It's total. This the pumping machine. That one is also total. So this is it here. This is the pumping machine here. My boss, we fix the pumping machine. This is the poly tank. We connect it to the building so it picks water from the poly tank into the building. There is a tank too at the top. That one too inside is washed. Yeah. The tap, this one, this is it. This is the first one. This is the second one. Yeah.